Hi everybody, and welcome to my build of the 1/72 scale PZL TS-11 bis from Arma Hobby. This is the junior set, and I'm building this in a buddy build with Killbox scale modelling and Chancer North Wales. Being the junior set, it is just plastic, clear and grey plastic. I bought the same kit from the same store as Chancer last year at the same event. Tommy from Killbox Scale Modelling is building the expert set that comes with photo etch and a canopy mask. The instructions are pretty simple and clear, with a sprue map and a picture of the single set of transfers. Construction starts with a cockpit tub. There's no surprises there. It's made of 7 parts, a main tub, 2 firewalls, 2 sets of pedals and 2 control yokes. Despite being a short run kit, the only cleanup that is required seems to be the attachment points. There's no flash. Short run kits seem to have come some distance, quite a long way in fact, in recent times. The seats are a 2-piece affair each. Each has quite nice detail on the sides and nice cushion detail. To make painting easier, I'll mount the parts. This is just a piece of plastic that was a protective cover on a radiator I fitted about 7 years ago. It's strange how things like this have a habit of hanging around and being useful for all sorts of different things, and I'll hold the parts on with blue tack. Now the tub has a few green squares on it. I decided to paint the whole thing green first and then place some rectangular masks cut by myself before spraying it with a German grey. The kit calls for black for the cockpit, but at this scale I'd rather use a very dark grey and then add a wash and maybe dry brush to try and bring out some detail. The photo etch that comes with the expert set might look better than this, but I simply don't have it, and so I'll deal with a wash and dry brushing. There are a few small details, as with every cockpit, to paint, so I'll paint those white first and then they'll go red. and then it's time to put it all together. It's a good fit so far. It's just my clumsiness that made the pedals difficult to fit. I didn't check properly where the location pins were on the bottom. All the parts have well-placed pins and indicators, which is quite rare on a short-run kit. Sometimes you just get butt fittings, but this one looks quite well put together. All in all, it's been good to put together so far. The lack of photo etch means I might have to do something about these instrument panels. They don't have transfers in the kit, so I'll see what I can do to make those look a bit better. Well, this is my first update on the Iskra Buddy build. I'll put a link to Killbox Scale Modelling and Chancellor North Wales below. But until part 2, thanks for watching, keep modelling and have fun. Bye!